Welcome to Real Estate Heat TV, where we bring you the hottest heat from the streets in the real estate industry. I'm Anthony Legins. Got my man Armond.
Yes. Bringing the heat, Real Estate Heat TV, bringing it from the streets all the way to the suites. Whether you're a beginning investor, advanced investor, we got some knowledge for you. And if you picking up what we put down, I strongly suggest that you subscribe to the video, number one.
Definitely.
Number two, I want you to implement it like right now, because the speed of implementation is what it's all about.
Oh, yeah, I agree. I agree, Armond. Definitely, man. That's what it's all about, man. So what we going to talk about today, Armond?
Well, we're going to show some people just a couple examples how they can do their first deal. We are experienced investors, but we know some people out there watching that may not be experienced investors, and we want to help you do your first deal.
Definitely. No doubt. And I feel like, this is the perfect platform because, Real Estate Heat TV, we're educational, we're instructional, we're entertaining, we're going to bring it all. So, you definitely want to subscribe to our channel because we're going to be bringing a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom from our years of experience. Why don't you tell them a little bit about your background, Armond?
My background, I'm originally from Toledo, Ohio. Right now I'm in Indiana, but I'm originally from Toledo, Ohio. Real estate investor, real estate broker, as well as my brother Anthony Legins. We both real estate brokers. But my background, I come from an area where working the jobs, the 9 to 5 or, more mine was more like a 2 to 11 type of thing, 6 to 7 days a week, long hours and, made some money. But we want to show you how to make more money. The guests that we're gonna have on the show as well is that it's just gonna all be about helping you to go from where you at now to the next level.
Yes, sir. Yeah, my background, I'm from Detroit, Michigan, born and raised.
Yes, sir.
I've been doing real estate since 2004. Started off as a real estate agent with the company called Real Estate One in Detroit, and I grew from there. I did $10 million in sales in my first 2 years. I didn't know anybody when I first started to got into real estate. Like I didn't have a clue on who I was going to sell a house to. I was sitting in real estate class thinking like, man, I don't have a clue who I'm gonna sell a house, man. I don't know nobody that wants to buy a house, but I still took the training, took the class and everything, got my license and still was sitting there thinking like, man, how am I gonna sell my first house?
Right.
And, thankfully, man, I ended up having my first 3 houses under contract in my first month after getting licensed from going from not, knowing anybody or not even thinking about I'd be able to sell a house to getting 3 houses under contract and then having an explosive beginning to my real estate career.
That's awesome, man.
We still doing big things,
Yes.
Me and brother Armond here, man.
Yes.
We've done so many deals together, man. We done a lot of deals together, man. So, we both experienced, man. And I love what Armond brings to the table, man. Armond, we were just having a conversation, man. Armond, I'm more of like into, I'm more into the traditional real estate broker type of thing. And
right.
Armond is, he's into the wholesaling thing, the fast moving, fast paced thing. And not saying that what I do isn't fast paced, but, we just kind of have 2 different styles with our approach in real estate, but we both are very successful in what we're doing. So, I just think that with us incorporating that together, we'll be able to bring that heat to you, Real Estate Heat TV, bring that knowledge, and get you fired up. That's really what we want to do is get you fired up about real estate. Get you fired up about investment and fired up about all this money that you're about to make because you are and can make a lot of money. Because I can speak for myself, but I've been in real estate for 16 years, going on 17 years, and I've literally made millions of dollars over the course of my career since I got started.
Absolutely.
You know, so this is a real thing, man. This is a real business. This is a real opportunity. And I think 2021 is perfect for everybody to get started, man. What you think, Armond?
Yeah, absolutely. And then the one thing too, you know, not just trying to segment out, you know, different races and whatnot, but just, you know, people like me and Anthony, you people that you can relate to, you know what I mean? He's from Detroit. We've done deals in inner city Detroit, Flint, Michigan. And one thing I wanted to just drop onto you, like say for the new investors, a key to it is having a good, solid contractor, because he has a construction company. And that's one of the ways how we connected. Is that, you know, say I had some investors buying the properties, he provided solid service. So if you're looking for a solid contractor in the Detroit area, you need to contact Anthony Legins. He's the man. Yeah, you're welcome. Yes, sir. Go ahead, shout it out.
Yeah. Detroit Home Builders, 313builders.com. Find me on the internet. Detroit Home Builders, man, we do it all. Man. We do everything. We specialize in residential remodeling and renovations. So, you know, you can see some of our videos of work that we've done on different projects where we've taken houses from just, you know, basically dilapidated and turned them into nice homes. So
right on.
Go ahead and check that out. And that's another thing that, you know, we'll bring to the table throughout with some new upcoming episodes. We'll talk about some construction and dealing with contractors. Since I am a licensed builder, I deal with contractors all the time. I mean, I am a contractor. So, you know, we'll be able to bring that heat to you. You know what I'm saying? Armond is the man with the lease options and the land contracts, man. This dude right here, man, his program, man, he got the program right now. They just show how he made $77,000 in 1 week, man.
Oh,
so that's heat. If you ain't talking about heat, that's heat, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, you know, you learn it from some pros right here, man. Real Estate ETV. We're gonna bring it from the heart to you, man. We want to educate you. We want to enlighten you. You know what I'm saying? We want to help make you better. You know what I'm saying out here.
Right. Absolutely.
You know, hey, man. So. You know, I'm really excited. You know what I'm saying? We just wanted to jump on here. Man, let's talk about how to do your first deal, though. How would you do your first deal, Armond, if you were starting from the beginning?
At the very beginning, I know this might sound kind of one-off. You probably heard this, you know, by several people before. But at the very beginning, if you're looking to get into this game, I would recommend you start with finding you a mentor. Like if you in the Detroit area or in Indiana, Ohio, you can partner with, or anywhere really, you can partner with either one of us. Or if you want us both to kind of mentor you through the game on how to do your first deal, hey, we'd be more than happy to help you out with that. But definitely, to add just a little bit more meat to it, if you one of the guys that want to just go out here and not have a mentor, what I would recommend is that, you know, you're looking for properties, you're looking for a deal, right? And I'll recommend that you contact a real estate agent, right?
Right.
So, like, you know, I'm an agent, and Anthony's the agent. We were brokers, but, you know, we just use the term agent.
Right.
And they can help you find some properties at a discount. And then what you're going to do is either A, close on that deal yourself if you have the funds, or B, we're going to show you how to do it like an assignment contract, or some people call it arbitrage. Now, if you want some more detailed information how you can do this and kind of protect yourself, make sure you're doing everything like you're supposed to be doing, you know, contact us and we'll walk you step by step through doing your first deal, and that be the start of doing many, many deals. But I recommend you partner up with somebody that's experienced. That's the best way to go, because you don't want to be out here doing it, you know, on a rookie level. Because now in some states, like in Ohio and Illinois, they changed the laws and they actually make it illegal to be wholesaling. Right. So that's one thing that we promote is, you know, getting your real estate license at some time. You don't necessarily need it to get started, but if this is something that you want to do and you want to make a career out of it, we recommend that you get your license. So if you want to do your first deal and increase the probability of you being successful at it, you know, contact us and we'll help you out with that. We'll do like a free consultation, or if you want to just get straight to it, maybe we do a paid consultation and get you going.
No. Yeah, no, seriously though. Yeah, and you can check out the links below. We're gonna have the links to our websites below. You know, work with what's it? Work with Armond.
Yeah, workwitharmond.com. That's one. We got the flipping house system. .com, that's another one. Yeah.
Man, you gotta check out that flipping house system, man. I'm telling you, 77. This dude did $77,000 in a week right before Christmas last year.
Right before Christmas.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody, man, you know, everybody out here, man, we creating our own stimulus out here, man, with this.
Yes.
We getting, you know, and we want you to too. You know, that's the whole point of us bringing this up to you, is that we want everybody, you know, especially our people, you know what I mean? That's what we bring the heat for. You know, everybody gonna benefit, but our people, man, it's our time. You know what I'm saying? It's our time to shine. It's our time to grind. You know what I mean? Let's get this money. And real estate, I'm telling you, is I think real estate is the best avenue for, you know, success, you know, to have, you know, to get that, you know, it's unlimited income opportunity. It's really about how much energy and effort and action that you put into it and that you take. And I mean, because once you learn the formalities of real estate, which we'll teach you, you know, as real estate coaches and mentors, we'll teach you the formalities, you know, you know, after that, you have to take the action. You know what I'm saying? You got to take the action. You got to put the work in. Me and Armond put work in. You know, we didn't just, you know, sit on our, you know, tails or whatever, you know.
Right.
You know, you go ahead and say it too. So we was hustling. You know, you still got to be hustler. You still got to be out here. You know what I mean? You know, it's not going to be easy, but once you get it going, you know, you can get it flowing.
Yes.
You know, absolutely. And, you know, I've been feeding my family off of this, you know, for years, you know. All their life. I mean, I got 2 kids, you know what I'm saying, teenagers, man, and I've been feeding them, you know, they teenagers now, so you know they eating. So I gotta, you know, keep it stocked up. They want clothes and shoes and everything. Now it might have been easy when there's babies, but yeah, man, but definitely though, I've been even with the recession back in the day, the market crash, everything, I've never changed my career personally. You know, I've always been real estate. You know, it's always been real estate. So, and then just looking to find different creative strategies and ways of doing things to become more successful at it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm sure, man, me and Armond, we both lost a lot of money too, you know, making mistakes out here. You know, so we able to, you know, take from those mistakes that we've made, you know what I'm saying? And then draw those lessons out from those mistakes and share them to you for your benefit, so that you don't have to go through the same mistakes and the same trials and errors that we made, as long as you subscribe to our channel, follow us. You know what I'm saying?
Make sure you check out that fast house flipping system too. That fasthouseflippingsystem.com. Yes.
Definitely, man. Very, man.
Hey, so if you guys picking up what we put out, subscribe. You know, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe and share it to your people.
Let's go on and wrap it up, man. Thank you, man. First inaugural episode of Real Estate Heat, man. We excited, man. Man, it's so much more to come. It's so much more to come. This is only the beginning. So stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. And we out.
Absolutely. We out.